Hello everyone, this is Luke. I'm going to be doing a video tonight with a suppressor. I'm going to try to see what the muzzle blast at night is going to be like, the flash specifically. I'm also going to be using a unsuppressed pistol so you get kind of a idea of the difference between the two. To start with here, we'll go with the unsuppressed pistol. And now for the suppressor. So there you have it. The suppressor works pretty great. Hardly get any flash at night at all. It's a pretty good investment in our future in Minnesota if you can go and call your representatives and inform them specifically on what suppressors do, but more importantly what suppressors don't do. As you can see, this was still noisy. It still made some noise. It's not perfectly silent. This isn't a James Bond gun. You're not going to have this pew 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 as you shoot all the bad guys. Owning a suppressor does not make us assassins.